I'm Sushmita and welcome to vlog number 7. I'm so sorry I haven't vlogged in so long. So when I started vlogging, I decided to vlog every single week. So I was putting up one vlog every week and I did that until vlog number 6. But after that, I just had a lot of personal things going on and I couldn't really make time for vlogging. Even when it came to my other regular videos and my blog work, it was very difficult to make time. So yeah, that's why I didn't vlog, but I'm super happy to be back and I'm going to try vlogging every week like usual. So this vlog is going to be a vlog of my entire weekend. So today is a Saturday. I'm going to be vlogging today and tomorrow and show you guys what a weekend in my life kind of looks like. So my weekends are extremely important, honestly, and I get the maximum amount of work done over the weekends, because if I don't do that, my entire week goes wrong. Because my college timings are super long. My college timings are 9 to 4, sometimes till 5:30, and the coming week entirely I'll have college till 5:30, and by the time I'm home it will be 7, and I'm so exhausted after coming home that I don't really have the energy to do any other work. So yeah, I try getting my major amount of work done over the weekend, so my week is chiller. So I do all of my video shoots over the weekend, any photo shoots again over the weekend, and extra pending college work, and you know, spending some time with my friends and my family and all of that. So today, first I'm going to be going to a pop-up shop, and then I'm going to be going out with my mom, and then I'm going to come back home and do shitloads of college work. And I think I'm also going for a movie in the night. That's like going to be a night show. So that's the plan for today. Tomorrow is going to be a day filled with shoots. I'm going to be shooting 7 to 8 videos, and I'm going to be doing a photo shoot as well. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to a super productive weekend. I'm super energetic, super excited. The time right now is 7:05. I never wake up this early. Even for college, I'm struggling to wake up by 7, and I don't know why on a holiday I'm wide awake at 7:05 and I can't go back to sleep, and I don't like when this happens, but yeah, that's how life is. So now I'm just gonna go back to bed and just chill for a while and listen to some music, scroll through my Instagram, reply to my comments and DMs, and then I'm gonna take a shower in some time and I'll take you guys through whatever I'm doing. So it's been a while since I updated you guys. I took my shower, I got dressed, and now I have to dry down my hair. So 50% of my hair is already like air dried, but now I'm getting late, so I'm going to use my hair dryer and dry my hair quickly. So I'm getting ready in my shoot room. This is where I get ready every single time I have to go out. So I've shifted all of my makeup and my hair stuff to this room, and now it's sort of like my beauty room as well. So it makes it very convenient for me to, you know, get ready now. I have like my own personal space for just getting ready, which is sort of been my dream all my life. So now I'm gonna start doing my makeup, and I'm gonna be doing something pretty simple because my outfit is this really pretty floral print maxi. I'll show it to you guys in some time. So I don't want to, you know, take away from the simplicity and the elegance of the outfit. So my makeup is gonna be pretty simple. It's gonna be like a really nice, fresh, glowy makeup with not much happening. So the time right now is 10:07 and I aim to leave at 10:30. So I have to do my makeup and fix my hair, eat my breakfast and then leave. So I have quite a bit to do and I don't think I'll be able to leave on time. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and get to my makeup. So this is going to be my outfit. I'm wearing this really pretty floral maxi with a belt, and I'm in my mom's room because I forgot to shoot this in my room. Now I'm gonna leave and go for the pop-up at Hemming Room. So I'm in my car, I'm waiting for my bhabhi to come, and she's always late because she has 2 kids and she has to get them ready as well, so I don't blame her. So she's gonna come and we're gonna leave, and if you can see my face, I've already started to sweat. Although I love the way the makeup's turned out, I'm starting to sweat already because it's so freaking hot in Chennai. And we have arrived. Time to go in. And that's Ritika. Ritika, say hi. Say hi, Bhavi. And these are her clothes.
Alright, so I'm done with the pop-up. It was actually really nice and me and my bhabhi shopped a lot. Right now I'm at work. My mom is gonna get a haircut. So I'm just gonna go in and explain them like what to do, and then I'm gonna go home because I have quite a few things to do. So yeah, I'm not gonna be staying here, but right now I'm gonna go in.
Alright guys, I'm back home and I changed into my home clothes because this is the first thing that I do, and the next thing that I do is remove the makeup. So although I'm a little hungry, I'm going to first remove my makeup and then eat my food. My food is also here in my room right here. I have sambar chawal and papad. So I usually eat down like at the dining table, but right now there's some work happening there and there's just a lot of noise and I don't like being in noisy places. So I just brought my food up. So I just realized I haven't updated you guys with the time. The time right now is 2:30 p.m. I don't know if you guys can see it. So yeah, it's 2:30 and it took me a little longer to get home than I thought, but yeah, I'm just taking like a half an hour break. I'm going to eat my food, watch one episode and then get to my college work. So I'm hoping that at 3 o'clock I start working. I just hope I don't get lazy because right now I am feeling a little lazy and I want to go to the bed, but I'm not, because if I do I'll get lazy. So that's why I'm sitting on my table and watching my show and eating my food. So yeah, hopefully by 3 I'll start my work. So guys, the time right now is 4:45. I've been working for almost 2 hours and I'm feeling extremely tired because it's very difficult working on the floor because I have to bend a lot and then my back starts hurting. So yeah, I'm gonna take some time off and then get back to work. And look at the mess that I've made, guys. My mom's gonna kill me if she sees this. So it's been quite some time since I last updated you guys. The time right now is 8:10 and I got all the work that I had planned done. Although I took much longer than I thought I would. I thought like in 3 hours I would finish it, but it took me like 5 hours to do that. And I also thought of making some sketches today, but I couldn't do that, so I'll probably be making those sketches tomorrow because I'm super tired right now. So I think I mentioned before in the vlog I'm going for a movie. So I'm going for the movie Noor with my family and I have to leave home at 9:30 and the time right now is 8:10, 8:12. So yeah, I'm gonna rest for a while because I'm just super tired, and then I'm gonna eat my dinner, get ready and leave. But before that, I'm gonna show you all that I shopped from the Humming Room today. So the first thing that I got is this really cute cold shoulder top from Kimara. It's a page on Instagram. I'll leave all the links in the description box below. This is the second top that I bought again from Kimara. Guys, I'm in love with the print and the color. It's so pretty. The third top is from Demoda, another Instagram page. Although it looks really big here, it has like a really nice flare here. So when you wear it, you'll have like a really nice flare coming from here and there below your arms. And then these jutis are from Alex Brown. They're from Jaipur and I love the color, guys. They look super gorgeous on wearing. The next thing that I shopped is this scarf from the Devil Wears Parda. It's by Shazia. She's a blogger and she makes her own clothes. So although this looks like a little brownish here, it's a really nice dusty pink and I love the zipper detailing. And the last thing that I got is this jewelry from Zahana, which is my favorite place to shop jewelry from. So I got these really pretty golden chandbalis. Then I got 2 sets of ring. So this one is a gold set, like an antique gold set with black detailing, and then this set is like a really nice oxidized silver with turquoise detailing. So the time right now is 9:10. I have to leave in 20 minutes. So I'm going to go down and eat dinner. And I just quickly changed my top and just tied my hair up in a high pony and wore like a bright color so I look fresh. I don't want to do any makeup because I just don't find the need and I'm not at all in the mood. And I just want to go there and relax. So yeah, I'm going to be leaving now. I can't take my camera with me because I'm going to a theatre. It won't be allowed inside. So I'll try vlogging through my phone. But I'll definitely come back and check in with you guys again. Mama, say hi. Hi. Papa, say hi. Say hi. My mom just got keratin treatment done to her hair. Look how straight her hair looks. जीजू से हाय, जीज से हाय। मूवी कैसी थी?
ओके।
बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द मूवी क्या था? So guys, I'm back home and it's about 1:10 and I'm super sleepy. So my cousin who you saw in my previous clipping is going to be sleeping over and her son is crying. I'm really sorry about that. Look at him. He's a crybaby and he can't be without his mom. And I don't know why, he's just scared of me, I think. So yeah, we are gonna gossip for a while and fall asleep, and hopefully I'll sleep well tonight and wake up late tomorrow. So I have a shoot tomorrow morning at around 10:30, but even if it gets a little late, it's okay because my brother is gonna shoot for me, and of course timings are gonna be flexible. So yeah, I'm hoping on catching on some really good sleep and wake up tomorrow fresh to shoot. So yes, that's it for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning everyone, happy Sunday. I'm really energetic for a Sunday morning because I slept really well. The time right now is 10 AM. I was actually supposed to start shooting by 10, but I haven't even started getting ready yet. I woke up like 5 minutes back. So I'm just switching on the AC of my shoot room so that my room is cold by the time I come and shoot. And I'm gonna go take a quick shower. Usually I'm very lazy on Sundays and I take like quick showers all the time. So I'm gonna take a quick shower and then get ready for my shoot. So I'm ready for the shoot. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the off shoulder that I got yesterday with blue jeans which look black on camera, and I'm going to be using this backpack for my shoot and these tan sandals. So this is where I am shooting today. So I'm done with my shoot. I also changed my outfit for look number 2. So now the time is past 12 and I haven't eaten anything from morning and I'm really hungry. So I'm going to remove my makeup, change up and go eat. And I'm feeling super tired because it's just so hot and I shot outdoor. But I have a really long day ahead of me and I have to also go out with my family. So I'll go eat now, probably do like 1 or 2 video shoots, go out, come back and then continue with the rest of it. So change of plans. Right now I'm going out to get some printouts and that printer place is always so full and I have a lot of printouts to take, so it'll take some time. And then I'm going to come back home and go out with my family because I have spent 0 time with them. So I'm not going to be doing my video shoots anytime soon. Hopefully in the evening I'm free so I get some time to shoot my videos. I really hope I do because I really want to do the review week that I'm planning on doing. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna leave and I'll see you guys soon. Today is not the best day for me. The printer said he'll take quite some time to get the work done and I just left from there because it's just so hot. So I'm gonna go back home now and probably when I go out with my family on the way I'll pick it up. Hopefully it matches the same time because the printer store will get shut by 3 and we are planning on leaving by 2:30. So if we leave on time then yeah, it'll all be okay. Otherwise it's just gonna be a mess. I have 0 idea how I'm gonna get my shoot done because apparently I'm gonna go shopping for the whole day with my dad and my mom and like you know my cousins also. So I don't know if I'm gonna get my shoot done or not. I'm gonna try my best. I really want to do the review week but I really don't know if I'll be able to do it or not. I still have some work pending from college and basically there's a lot that has to be done and all these new sudden things coming up which I can't avoid and I'm just a little, I don't know, messed up in my head and I don't like doing that because I like being organized. I knew I had a plan for this weekend and when things don't go by my plan I just don't like it and I feel messed up. But now I'm just gonna go home and try and relax and just try and go with the flow. So the time right now is 4 PM. I just got to Express Avenue and I'm going to be shopping now with my dad. It's mainly for my dad's shopping that we are here. So I really don't think I'm going to get my videos done and I'm sad about it. But instead of, you know, continuing to be sad, I'm going to try and have fun because I don't want to piss off my parents. So yeah, I'm going to go in now and I'll show you guys around. Ooh, Papa howdy. नहीं अच्छी लग रही है. ये फिटिंग सही है एकदम.
हॉडी अच्छी है चप्पल, ले रहे हो?
अच्छी है, ले लो।
ले लो. Guys, I'm at home right now and this place always makes me want to redecorate my room. Like, look how color coordinated the whole place is. I want to buy all of these. Time for some sugar. Donut lover for life. Donuts are life. By the way, that's Vansh, my nephew. Vansh, say hi. Hi. So I'm back home. It is 7:15 right now and I'm feeling super tired. Like, I'm in zero mood to shoot, and more than my mood, the voltage in my house is just fluctuating, so I can't switch on the AC. And if I don't switch on the AC, I'll sweat to death in my room. I have zero idea what's happening. I'm just really annoyed with everything going wrong and not a good day. So yeah, I'll see what happens. As of now, I'm just gonna chill, maybe eat dinner because I am a little hungry. And yeah, I'll hope for the best. ऐसे करते हैं? हाँ? ओए, नीचे गिर गया. करके दिखा वापस. So cute. And I'm finally shooting. So the voltage is back, everything is completely fine and I'm super happy. So I'm taking this clipping through my phone because my camera is right now on charge since I have to shoot 2 more videos. I'm done shooting 2 already. So I'm doing my review week. I'm done shooting 2 reviews. I'm super excited, I'm super pumped, and I'm sorry if I'm talking too fast. That's just because I'm excited and I'm kind of in a hurry to get this done. So I will finish both my shoots, clean my face, change up, and see you guys. And I'm done. I am so happy, guys. You have no idea how happy I am right now because I really thought I wouldn't be able to do this, and I was actually heartbroken because I was feeling really sad, but I'm happy that I did it. I was supposed to shoot 2-3 DIYs, but I didn't do that, but I'm not really sad about it because it was just for my personal use and I can do it anytime later. Also, the main focus thing was to get the review 4 videos done, and I shot all my 4 videos, so I'm super happy. Right now my room is a mess. I have all of these clothes that I wore for the shoot, and then for the DIY, all of these things I just took out and kept them, but I'm gonna put them back inside. So the time right now is 10 p.m. I still haven't eaten my dinner. My dinner is on the way. I've ordered from Subway. So once my dinner comes, I'll eat. Until then, I'll clean up my room and I'll check in with you guys. हाँ बेटा, 5 minutes में आओ. मैं मेरा काम खत्म करके आऊँ. कैमरा में हाय बोल. उधर वो रहा कैमरा. ये रहा. हाय बोल. Okay, Bija. मैं आती हूँ 5 minutes में. So the time right now is 12:15. After I last updated you guys, I ate my dinner and edited one of my videos because the new video has to go up tomorrow. So yeah, I'm done editing, but I'll be uploading it tomorrow because I have to write the caption, description, all of that jazz, and I really don't have the strength to do that right now. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. Altogether, I had a really good weekend apart from all the annoyance today in the afternoon. I had a pretty good weekend. I'm really happy that I got all my important work at least done, and I'm so happy you guys watched it. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, the link is down below, and I'll see you soon in another video. Mwah. Bye.